This is for the Kraken's first giveaway video. I believe he's giving away a PacLock 98 Pro with his logo on it. So what more appropriate than perhaps to pick a PacLock 98 Pro? Alright, so according to the customs of our people, we should gut this guy. Here we have a metric, 2.5, nope. 3mm. Oh, perhaps somewhere between. Seven 64ths. Of course. Bleh. Oh, I didn't lock it back up. Whoop. Mm-hmm. Alright, that'll be fine. I lost my gut wrench for a minute. I just have it buried under keys and locks. Ooh. I do not know what they're using to lubricate these, but it is gooey and weird. That's all I'll say about that. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfection. I think they're all standard key pins. Remember, these basically fit together either way, so watch out for which end the notch is on. And we have, let's keep the directions together. We have, I don't think I've ever had this guy apart actually. We have a spool. Watch, I probably have a video of this one already and just didn't remember it. Serrated. Spool. Serrated. Now it's PacLock. They like to alternate the spools and the serrated. So we'll have spool, serrated, spool. Because that is how they do. Oh, it's a standard. And some springs that are, well, they're springs, so you know what those look like. Nothing remarkable in there, I don't think. Alright, so we have a bunch of standard driver key pins, and then spool, serrated, and standard for driver pins. That is my PacLock 90A Pro, a gift from my wife, actually. And that is also my entry into Kraken's first giveaway. So there it is.